In part 2, I'll cover how to change the alignment and apply different number formats. Inside a cell, you can align your text horizontally or vertically. These three options are for vertical alignment. Vertical alignment determines whether your text will be at the top, middle, or bottom. Horizontal alignment controls if the text will be aligned to the left, center, or right side of the cell. Click the triangle at the top left corner of cells beside the column heading A. It selects all the cells at once. Now make them middle aligned. Select cells in the B4 to H4 range and make them center aligned. Indentation creates a little space before your text starts. You can increase or decrease the indentation to change the content's distance from the cell border. Click on the orientation drop-down and experiment with different angles. You can rotate text counterclockwise, clockwise, or make the text stand on its head. Let's get back to the normal. If you want to wrap the cell content in one cell, use the wrap text feature. It feeds the text by making the cell expand vertically. It's like giving the text some breathing room. Here, I want to make this the title of my worksheet. To make it stand out, select cells in the B2 to H2 range and click Merge and Center. You can see the title is merged across the selected cells. Now, move to the Styles section. In the Cell Styles drop-down menu, you will find a vast range of cell styles. Here, I'll choose the heading to style for the worksheet title. These are predefined styles. You can create your own styles here. That's the perfect look of a title. Just increase the font size a little bit. It's time to talk about number formatting. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the number format box. You can choose different formats like number for regular digits, currency or accounting for monetary values, and percentage for expressing percentages. It's like dressing up your numbers for different occasions. Now, select cells containing numbers and apply the number format. It will apply decimal. You can control the number after decimal with these two icons. Also, you can add a 1000 separator to insert a comma after every 1000 value. Now, I'll apply the currency format. Select the data in the allowance column. In the number format drop-down, click on the currency option. Also, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus $ symbol on your keyboard. The values are formatted in two decimal places with a preceding $sign. The accounting format gives the same output, but it will align the currency symbol to the left while aligning the values to the right border of the cell. Other currency symbols are available here. When working with data that represents proportions and ratios, you can definitely use the percentage format. The shortcut for this format is Ctrl plus Shift plus percentage icon. Select the percentage column and apply the percentage format. Also, you can decrease the decimal places if you want. You can also apply fraction format to the same column. To learn cell formatting in detail, you could follow our video Learn Cells Formatting in Excel. Alright, here's a pop quiz for you. How would you format a cell like this? Drop your answer in the comments and let's see who nails it. Okay, that's it for this video.